Okay, so there's something I've been wanting to try for a while. Something I've seen a few videos on, never tried it myself. And it involves a piece of foil and some water. That's it. And the bumpers on the MG, you can see they're a little bit pitted, a little bit rusty. The same with the other side. A little bit of some rust on there. I did wash this yesterday. Washed it at work, so I know they're clean. That is all well and truly in the chrome. And so the thing I've seen done, want to try myself, is to polish them out with the foil. And so first thing I'll do is wet the bumper. I don't know why, I don't know the science behind it. The foil then gets crumpled up into a ball. And I might just put some water on the foil as well, like that. And then we'll just lightly buff the chrome.
Enchanté.
Okay, so I'm quite impressed with that. If we just dry that off. So if you now have a look at it, it's not perfect, you can still see a lot of pitting in there, and there's these high spots where the coating is sort of split, I suppose. But compare that to the other side, which I haven't done, and you can see all the rusty spots are still there. So the videos you watch on YouTube always seem to look better than they actually are. But so what I'm going to try next is the old auto sole. Same stuff we used, I've used on the Morris actually. Tried doing the Morris bumpers without the tin foil, and it helped a bit, but it's not perfect. Just put a little spot of that on there, like so. There we go, that's certainly a lot better than the other side. Not quite as good as I was hoping for, but certainly makes a difference. That these bumpers were second hand. I think I paid about 20 quid for the pair, and they certainly look better than a rubber bumper midget without any chrome bumper, or without any bumpers, in my opinion. So yeah, maybe at some point these will need to be re-chromed, but they'll certainly be fine for now. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.